Alright, YouTube subscribers. My name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm back with another video of my 52-inch antique brass Hampton based St. Clair ceiling fan. Now, I'm just doing a video of the ceiling fan after it has been oiled and stuff. And due to the fact that I oiled the ceiling fan earlier today and stuff, so it did give the ceiling fan the wet bearing noise and stuff. As you saw my video of me oiling the ceiling fan motor and stuff. So I'm about to go on and turn on this. I'm about to go on and turn on this fan and stuff. Starting off with high. Well, the bearings is not really as noisy as it was earlier. Alright, then this is medium. And then this is low. And then this is off. So, other than that, I'm about to go on and do a video of the ceiling fan showing with the blades and stuff, because I know that's what some of you guys must been waiting on me to do for a very long time and stuff. So I'm about to go on and end this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 sounding out this video, and I'm out.